They obviously would get the first chance to renew their space and their lease.
Obviously. That's what I would do. Pretend like I know that, and I've done this 36 times.
Hello, Rebecca speaking.
Rebecca, my name's Danny. I'm
Hello?
looking at some
Hi.
commercial space. I'm interested in talking lease terms with you.
Sure, yep. What type of business do you have?
I'm in the laundry business.
The lottery business.
Laundry, coin laundromats.
Oh, laundry. Okay. So you're looking for a place to start your laundry or to use for a laundromat?
Is an existing coin laundry. The way that I have built
Correct.
my 36 locations is precisely this. We walk through these stores. Sometimes we do some laundry. They're open to the public. When I see underperforming, to put it politely, stores like this, I want to reach out to you, find out if and when a lease might be available, and then talk terms. Maybe it's not today, next week, next year, but if you don't know we're out here looking,
Right.
then
Well, so we're a third-party management company, so someone actually owns that business. We simply lease them the space.
I know that. You're
Right.
exactly the right person.
So,
When your phone rings
Okay,
all
well,
the
I
live
can't-
long day, every single day, it's not someone selling something, Rebecca.
You're like money, eh?
Sure, Poopsie.
Well, you listen to me. I started out in a sideshow, got into the swing of things, and made millions. But it's nothing. Nothing compared to what's ahead.
I'm interested in talking terms when that changes. So this is a horrible laundromat. It's a laundromat that I wouldn't send my worst enemy into. When that changes and when they give up the ghost, I'm after the $300,000, $400,000 Canadian in infrastructure that's there. The gas, water, electric. So again, call this an introduction. Without having to put it on the market, you'll call Danny and I'll say, oh good, let's talk lease terms, and I'll put new equipment in and operate it, if that makes sense.
Have no fear! Doc Savage is here!
I mean, that's something to be considered, so I'm not sure when the current tenant's lease expires, but they obviously would get the first chance to renew their space and their lease.
Obviously.
Uh,
That's what I would do. Pretend like I know that, and I've done this 36 times, which I have. What's your email address? I'll send you an email.
Sure, that's a great idea.
Brilliant. So the other issue, your massive organization might come across another laundromat that is faltering, floundering, falling apart, and other alliteration words with the F. If and when that happens, you say, hey, gee whiz, I remember that guy. His name was Danny. He's kind of rude, but I'm originally from New York, so that's how we do.
One thing for sure, he ain't no native New Yorker.
The word is isn't.
Is and ain't. What's the difference?
Find that email, and we will talk, and I will try to beat you up on the rent, and then I'll spend $400,000 or $500,000 on washers and dryers, and I'll have another successful store. Let me guess, you don't go to laundromats every Sunday. Of course not.
No, I don't.
Middle-class people don't. You know a horrible slice of pizza or a nasty cheeseburger when you eat it and you never go back. These people are kind of stuck in these laundromats, and that's sad. We provide very good laundry services all over Canada, and we do that by building more stores and doing it this way. If you have someone who tours your facilities, if you went into this place, you'd say, good God, how is this in our portfolio? And maybe that'll change. I appreciate you. Thanks for taking the time.
No worries. You have a good day.
Exactly the kind of woman I date. She hates me.
Well, it was good. Someone picked up. I'm kind of excited about that.
Well, here's the thing. I've said this a lot, and you've probably heard it on the YouTube machine, but now it's you. Ring, ring, hello. Where's the space? We don't have any vacancies. Well, I'm not the right person. We're a third-party management company. So I roll my eyes and I say, no, you are the right person, and here's why. She listened, she understood. If someone is rude to me or interrupts me, I do the exact same thing back. And it works.
Yeah.
Instead of Because a woman like what she wants is someone to be subservient to her and say, oh, gee whiz, I want to be a tenant. Is that okay? No, we're the type of tenant that knows exactly what we're doing and what needs to be done. So even at the end, we get her email address and I say, here's exactly what I know about you and you as a demographic. You don't go to a laundromat. Well, you're right. Go look at this place. You'll throw up. Well, you're probably right. It's embarrassing.
Yeah.
So what do you do now,
It's
Jason?
the smelliest one I've ever been in.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Keep
What
an
do I
eye
do?
on it. And we will probably be the ones to reach out when the time comes. I'll send her the canned email. I'll CC you. And now this is one of your chickies you keep under your wing. Find me some more stores.
So how do we like, will she get back to you after this email and say, yeah, their lease is up in a year? Or
no, I don't, I don't
like,
expect her to. It's a generic email. In business, if I don't ask a question, I'm not looking for an answer. And the email states clearly that if and when the time comes, we're interested. You need to be the one I just said to keep an eye on it.
Yeah, okay, fair enough.
We can call her in 6 months because then we can say, hey, 6 months went by and we see zero change. The only thing we see is more equipment breaking. What say you? Now she knows who we are.
Okay, got it. Question. Is it possible for you to send me a copy of the LOI?
Sure.
Perfect. I'd love to take a look at it, just kind of peruse it. When I'm ready to fill it out, I know what I'm looking at.
Yep. It'll mean a lot more when you're ready to fill it out.
Yeah, 100%.
All right, later.
I've got lots of stores, so I'll give you a new one for next week.
Good man.
Okay, see ya.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.